Crunchy. Is it wet? What the hell? No way. That's so lame. What is going on, YouTube? It's Josiah out here with Aaliyah. We're about to hit up what she says is gonna be a pretty spot. We'll see. We're gonna find out soon enough. I really need a pin lock. How many miles did you say we had? 8.8 miles. Crunchy. Is it wet? What the hell? No way. That's so lame. It's cold as... We got stuck behind the bus and I can't see anything. Luckily they have lights. Oh. Water. Oh, I just wanted to stand up for a second. Oh, there we go. Look at that mountain. Look at that mountain right there. You did that mountain. I didn't even see that motorcycle would go by. Tractor, big green tractor. We can go slow, we can go faster. I don't really know, but it don't matter. About to pull up in my big green tractor. Thank you very much. I'm going through the city because I didn't get over to get on the freeway, so this truck is huge. The escape room. Oh my. There's a dog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, let me know down in the comments. Remember, Jesus loves you. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace. Was that good?